Bug-out bag survival backpacks are essential emergency preparedness companions, designed for quick evacuation in unforeseen situations. Compact and organized, these backpacks house crucial supplies like food, water, first aid, and tools to sustain individuals during emergencies. Durable and customizable, they ensure readiness for natural disasters or unforeseen events. Bug-out bag survival backpacks are a prudent investment for those prioritizing preparedness, providing a sense of security in unpredictable circumstances. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. 5.11 All Hazards Nitro is a highly versatile and rugged tactical backpack designed to meet the demands of professionals in law enforcement, emergency response, and outdoor enthusiasts. Built with durability and functionality in mind, the All Hazards Nitro offers ample storage space and organizational features to keep gear secure and easily accessible. The backpack features a spacious main compartment with a padded laptop sleeve, allowing for the safe transport of electronics or documents. Multiple smaller compartments and pockets provide convenient storage for smaller items, while the front admin panel offers easy access to pens, keys, and other essentials. The All Hazards Nitro also features a dedicated hydration pocket and a reinforced grab-and-go handle for quick deployment or evacuation. The backpack is constructed with rugged 1050 nylon material, ensuring durability and resistance to wear and tear in demanding environments. It incorporates a compression strap system, allowing users to adjust the size of the pack based on their load and to secure items more tightly. The backpack's padded shoulder straps and back panel provide comfort during extended wear, while the adjustable sternum strap and waist belt distribute weight evenly for enhanced stability. Mold-compatible webbing on the front and sides of the pack allows for the attachment of additional pouches or accessories, further expanding its carrying capacity and customization options. Whether used for tactical operations, emergency response, or outdoor adventures, the 5.11 All Hazards Nitro is a reliable and feature-rich backpack that offers durability, organization, and versatility for those who require a dependable pack in demanding situations. Number 4. SOG Scout 24 Pack is a versatile and rugged backpack designed for outdoor enthusiasts and tactical professionals seeking a reliable and functional gear-carrying solution. Built with durability and ergonomic design in mind, the Scout 24 Pack offers ample storage space and a range of features for enhanced organization and comfort. The backpack features a spacious main compartment with a hydration bladder sleeve, allowing for easy access to water during outdoor activities. Multiple smaller compartments and pockets provide convenient storage for gear and accessories, while the front admin panel offers quick access to smaller items such as pens, keys, and electronics. The Scout 24 Pack also incorporates a padded laptop sleeve, making it suitable for everyday use or as a go-to bag for work. The backpack's durable construction, made from high-quality 500D nylon, ensures longevity and resistance to wear and tear in demanding environments. It features a padded back panel and shoulder straps for enhanced comfort during extended wear, as well as a sternum strap and hip belt for weight distribution and stability. The mall webbing on the front and sides of the pack allows for the attachment of additional pouches or accessories, offering customization options and expanded carrying capacity. The Scout 24 Pack also includes compression straps, enabling users to adjust the pack's volume based on their load and to secure items more tightly. Whether used for outdoor adventures, everyday carry, or tactical operations, the SOG Scout 24 Pack provides durability, organization, and comfort for those seeking a reliable and versatile backpack to meet their needs. Number 3. Maxpedition Advanced Gear Research Ironcloud Adventure Travel Bag is a feature-packed and durable travel bag designed to meet the needs of adventurous travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. With its robust construction and innovative design, the Ironcloud offers ample storage space and a range of organizational features for convenient and secure gear transport. The bag features a spacious main compartment with multiple internal pockets, allowing for efficient organization of clothing, gear, and accessories. The front compartment offers quick access to essential items, while the padded laptop sleeve provides protection for electronic devices. The ironcloud also incorporates a dedicated hydration bladder pouch and a concealed weapon compartment, catering to the needs of outdoor adventurers and tactical professionals alike. The bag's rugged construction, made from 500D ballistic nylon, ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to abrasion and water. The ergonomic shoulder straps and padded back panel provide comfort during extended wear, while the sternum strap and waist belt distribute weight evenly for enhanced stability. The bag also features a luggage handle sleeve, allowing it to be conveniently attached to rolling luggage for easy transportation. Mole webbing on the front and sides of the bag offers customization options and the attachment of additional pouches or accessories. The ironcloud's versatile design and sturdy construction make it an ideal choice for adventurers seeking a reliable and organized travel bag that can withstand the rigors of outdoor exploration. Number 2. 5.11 Ignitor Backpack is a highly functional and rugged pack designed to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts, tactical professionals, and everyday users alike. With its durable construction and intelligent design, the Ignitor backpack offers a range of features for efficient organization and comfortable carry. The backpack features a spacious main compartment with multiple internal pockets and a padded laptop sleeve, providing ample storage space for gear, electronics, and documents. The front admin panel offers quick access to smaller items such as pens, keys, and tools. The Ignitor backpack also incorporates a dedicated hydration bladder pocket and a fleece-lined eyewear pocket, catering to the needs of outdoor adventurers and tactical operators. Its durable 500D nylon construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the water-resistant coating keeps gear dry in wet conditions. The backpack's ergonomic shoulder straps and padded back panel provide comfort during extended wear, and the adjustable sternum strap and waist belt offer stability and weight distribution. Mole webbing on the front and sides of the pack allows for the attachment of additional pouches or accessories, providing customization options and expanded carrying capacity. The Ignitor backpack also features compression straps, enabling users to adjust the pack's volume based on their load and to secure items more tightly. Whether used for outdoor adventures, work, or everyday carry, the 5.11 Ignitor backpack delivers durability, organization, and comfort for those seeking a reliable and versatile pack to meet their needs. Number 1. La Police Gear Operator Backpack is a rugged and versatile pack designed to cater to the needs of law enforcement professionals, military personnel, and outdoor enthusiasts. With its durable construction and functional design, the Operator Backpack offers a plethora of features for efficient organization and reliable gear storage. The backpack features a spacious main compartment with multiple internal pockets, including a padded laptop sleeve, allowing for secure and organized storage of various items. The front admin pocket provides quick access to smaller essentials, while the mole webbing on the front and sides of the pack offers customization options for attaching additional pouches or accessories. The Operator Backpack also incorporates a dedicated hydration bladder pocket and a fleece-lined eyewear pocket, ensuring hydration and protection for crucial gear. Its rugged 600D polyester construction with PIC coating ensures durability and water resistance, making it suitable for use in diverse weather conditions. The backpack's padded shoulder straps and adjustable sternum strap provide comfort and stability during extended wear, while the padded back panel enhances airflow and breathability. The reinforced grab handle allows for easy transportation and quick deployment. With its robust construction, ample storage capacity, and thoughtful design, the La Police Gear Operator Backpack is an excellent choice for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and versatile pack that excels in both tactical and everyday situations.